Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will explore how to calculate work hours in Excel, whether you need to track your own work hours or analyze employee productivity. Excel provides powerful tools to make this task efficient and accurate. Join us as we walk through the process step by step. So, in the cell D2, enter the formula equal, open parentheses, and choose end time, subtract start time, close parentheses, multiply 24, then press enter. As you can see here, Excel will display the results in the default time format. To solve this problem, right-click on the cell, then choose Format Cells, then General, OK. To apply for other cells, double-click here or just drag. So, to calculate the total work hours, select an empty cell anywhere, click equal sum, then choose the range, then close parentheses, then enter. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to calculate work hours in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.